Radhe Krishna friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Homoeopathic Medicine. Friends, today we are going to learn a very important short topic from Homoeopathic Pharmacy, and this is very important because it is asked in your BHMS pharmacy paper very frequently. That is poultice, or you can also call this as cataplasm. So question will be asked like describe poultice and its types, or describe cataplasm and its types, or describe about poultice and its variety. So answer will be the same for all the three questions, and it can be asked for 5 marks, 10 marks, or it can also be asked in a viva question. So let's go to the answer. This is handwritten note and you can write this answer as it is in your paper. So let's start with the answer. Poultice are soft semi-liquid external applications. So first point, it is external application. Okay, it is not taken inside or internally body, it is external application. They must contain medicament. They act firmly on principle so that they either stimulate the body surface or relieve an inflamed area by supplying medicated substance in the presence of heat and moisture. It helps in drawing infective material from the affected area due to its hygroscopic and absorptive character of its ingredients used, that is glycerin, starch, etc. They mitigate pain by relaxing tension and promoting perspiration. Now we will see types of poultice and variety of poultice. Okay. First one is linseed meal poultice. Now how it is made? The boiling water should be poured into heated bowl, and into this meal quickly sprinkled with one hand while the mixture is constantly stirred with a stainless steel knife or spatula with the other hand till a thin smooth paste is formed. This paste should be quickly spread on muslin cloth. A few drops of desired mother tincture is added to it. Then spread it along the cloth with remaining paste. Now this is the linseed meal. Okay, next one is bread poultice. Put a slice of bread into basin, pour them over boiling water and place by fire for few minutes. Pour off water and replace it with fresh water, and this again poured on bread. Press beaten with fork and made into pulsite. This is valuable for their blend and non-irritative properties. Okay. Next type or variety of poultice is charcoal poultice. Uniformly mix charcoal with bread poultice and just before the application sprinkle the surface with a layer of charcoal and simple bread poultice applied over it. It corrects offensive smell from foul sores and favors healthier action. Next type is carrot poultice. Boil carrot, turn it into soft mash with fork and apply it on the ordinary way. This poultice is used to make wound cleaner and healthier. So this was the type of poultice, or you can say variety of poultice. Next one is use of poultice. Means what are the uses, in which conditions they are used. Poultice are chiefly used for complaints of pneumonia, pleurisy, bronchitis, pericarditis, peritonitis, acute rheumatism, lumbago, and to mature abscess and boils. So this was all for this question. We will meet in next lecture. Till then, Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.